Good morning, guys. Just woke up, packed my tent. The bike is ready. I only need breakfast, and then I'm gonna get in my riding gear, and then we're gonna start stage 1 for today. I'm still converting into a route. Yesterday I had some trouble with visibility of the line, and someone gave me a tip that I need to convert it, because if you only put the track in it, it's a real thin line, and if you convert it, then it becomes a thick line. I never use this kind of stuff, so it was a great tip. The luggage I'm gonna give to the bus, so that's gonna be transported to the next camp. I'm gonna eat, and then gonna ride 350 kilometers today. So see you in the end. Hello guys, quick update. There's the bike. I'm just having a quick break, waiting for some guys to pass by so I can make some pictures. I think it drove a little fast because I've been sitting here for almost 15-20 minutes now and no one has passed, so I hope someone is coming in a bit, otherwise I will continue. Trip so far pretty okay. In the beginning a bit of off-road. After that we went on the highway for approximately 100 kilometers. Not bad, not really fun, but after that we got off the highway and then the fun started again. See, this is a pretty steep hill. There was a pretty big descent, and after that we had to come up here. So now I'm waiting for some people to pass by so I can make some pictures, and after that I will continue with the last probably 15 kilometers, so it's not that far anymore. Then we're gonna put up camp, get the bags, place the tents, so see you after that. Hello guys, we arrived at the camp. Pretty awesome, I have to say. It's a track. I just did 2 laps, but the tires are not that good. The back was going in every direction, so 2 laps and that's it for now. Because otherwise, whole day of off-roading, no crashes, and 10 minutes at a track, and it's gone. So now it's time for a beer. So guys, see you tomorrow.
Tenere.